Speaker Lord Alan Velasco, I request and we request, let's suspend the rules in Congress. We will face them, face to face, without parliamentary restrictions. And let us speak before the nation through your Congress, through our Congress. It's not their Congress, after all. Nandyan lang sila para kumuha ng pondo, sweldo, access sa proyekto at makapagpropaganda, makapag-submit ng resolution, pahirapan ang budget ng military, ng police, ng PCOO, lahat ng government agencies that support the national initiative to bring on the whole of nation and whole of government participation to put a decisive end to communist insurgency. Lahat ng government agencies pinapahirapan nila sa budget hearing. And because of that, nagagamit nila ang objective na yan. Infiltrate Congress by sabotaging and creating wedge and rift within Congress and all politicians and get the funds. Hindi ko alam kung tama ako, Speaker Velasco, sir. Every congressman, congresswoman, tumatanggap yan ng 68 million na budget every year. That's not PDAF. It is a budget for your consultants, office, sahod, at iba pa. You can just imagine, mga kababayan ko, you can just imagine why the President right now is so serious to put an end. Saan ka nakakita? Only in the Philippines na ang mga Communist Party kadre na nagkukunwari at nagsisinungaling na nakaupo sa loob ng Kongreso, 6 sila. Pangangalanan ko isa-isa. Si Gaite, si Colyamat, si Sarati, si Ilago, si Brosas. Sinong hindi nakasama? Si Castro. Oh. Lahat sila miyembro at pinuno ng Communist Party in their own organizations where they belong. Siguro hindi ko yung isa-isain, mahaba kasi yun. Bibigyan ko yun ng pagkakataon na magtanong. Pero, dinideny nila ito. And yet, they cannot condemn the CPP and PNDF. You can imagine 408 million pesos. Anim. Tama bang math ko? 68 million times 6. Diba? It's around 400 million. At walang ibang ginawa itong 6 na ito. Simula 2001 pa, ang mga party list na ito na kinreate namin sa CPP, they are all for the overthrow of the government. And yet, we are paying them inside Congress to do nothing but to attack, malign, and subvert the authority of the government and bastardize the democratic institutions like Congress that we have. Malinaw kung bakit kami lumalabas. Papatayin ba kami? Opo, papatayin kami, kaya sila nakatakip ang mga muka. Kasi may mga pamilya pa sila. Ako may pamilya din, pero hindi pa sila handa. Ako pinangalanan na. Do I have a choice? Wala na. This is going to be war. War of information, war of decision for standing up for truth, and war to side with the people. Matagal na panahon na nabubuhay ang ating bansa, ang ating bayan, ang ating mamamayan sa takot dahil papatayin ka ng NPA. Pag media ka nga na parang malapit ka sa military, wawarningan ka. Pag ikaw ay government official na malapit sa military o nakikipagtulungan sa police at military, ikaw ay wawarningan or papatayin ka, pati judge, fiscal, takot sa kanila. Sino na lang hindi matatakot sa inyo? Natatakot ba ako? Of course. Pero tinaya ko na buhay ko eh. Sorry for the word. Dala ko yagbols ko o bit ko. Patayin man ako ng CPP and PNDF, no regrets. I died for the cause of peace. For the cause of the widows, the children na sinira ng CPP and PNDF, which you cannot stand to condemn. May red tagging? No. Red tagging is an invention of the CPP, NPA, NDF. Ako na magbato ng mga issue na ibabato nila. Mamaya sa inyong mga tanong, no holds barred question ito. I am facing the nation, no need for me to hide and cover my face. Ito ay totoong balita. We know news is information as well as business. Bibigyan ko kayo ng balita. Itong balita. I'm coming out in the open. I'm challenging them before the halls of Congress with suspension of parliamentary rules restrictions. Let us speak before the nation through Congress. And paagahin na natin, Senator Ping Lacson, paagahin na natin. Kami na po ang nananawagan kay Senator Ping Lacson, paagahin na po natin. Dito na po, lantad na kami. In an executive session, maybe some of them can come out also. Many more from Mindanao. Many more from Visayas. Hindi lang po ako. Now I am standing up for them. For the nation, for the people, for the children, against CPP and PNDF, and the conspirators, collaborators, enablers, and skilled, pretentious operators kagaya ng Gabriela, leaders not all members are CPP. The leadership of Gabriela, Anak Bayan, Anak Pawis, Bayan Muna, you name it, mga 24 organizations and 5 party list, including mga NGO. Marami po kayong malalaman sa amin. Sino-sino ang in-infiltrate, sino-sino ang kinukutungan, sino-sino ang nagsisimpatay sa kanila. At anong tunay na kulay nila. All of those sitting in Congress representing Anak Pawis, Bayan Muna, ACT Teachers, Gabriela Women's Party, Kabataan Party, you cannot sit there, much less you cannot even be nominated as part of the party list representation of these organizations which are created by the CPP, led by the Communist Party, connected in supporting the NPA and the NDA for the armed struggle and the violent overthrow of our nation. You cannot be there in Congress if you are not a hardcore CPP cadre. I attest with my blood, sweat, and my physical danger put in life in line today. Totoo ang sinasabi ni General Parlade, ni Yusek Lorraine Badoy, kami po magpapatotoo. Hindi po kakasya ang inyong program, pero ito ang pamamaraan. At kami po'y mag-iingat because this will take a process. Tama na po ang CPP, NPA, NDF. Bigyan natin ng katuturan at pagtulong ang naghihinagpis na mga nanay na nawala ng mga anak na nirecruit ng grupo nila Sara Ilago and yet tinatago nila dyan sa mga safe houses nila, sa mga underground houses nila at sa headquarters ng bayan mo, ng Anak Bayan, na kinukonsinti nila Nery Colmenares, nila Gaiti, nila Sarate. Sabi nila, kakasuhan nila ako. Kakasuhan nila kami, lalo na ako. What more can I lose? Hello, sirs, ma'am. Mamamayang Pilipino, I'm already willing to lose my wife, my wife, my children, kasi alam ko pati sila in danger. Umiiyak bang asawa ko? Simulat sa pool mula kagabi pa. She is crying for these things. Hindi ako sumagot sa Facebook nila, dito ako sasagot sa harap ng taong bayan.